Hello everyone, welcome back to Spectrum classes. In this video, we are going to see how this actinium radioactive decay series disintegrates and what are the number of steps in this radioactive decay series and how one can memorize this radioactive actinium decay series. Right, so first I am going to show you the number of elements which you need to be remember for this particular series, and now I am going to show you the disintegration steps here. So here this series, actually I have already told you about this. So this is actinium series, but it starts with uranium, and this is the isotope of uranium. I have discussed all such things in my first video of summary of radioactive decay series, right? So here this uranium decays to the daughter element by emitting one alpha particle, and it converts to thorium. So here on emission of alpha particle, its atomic number changes by 2 or decreased by 2, and its mass number decreased by 4. Right, so here you can see 92 minus 2 will gives us 90, and 235 minus 4 will gives us 231. Similarly, one beta particle is disintegrates from this, and the next daughter element is this one, right? So here on emission of beta particle, its atomic number increased by 1, but there is no change in the mass number. So in this manner, this radioactive disintegration series disintegrates. I have summarized all the steps here, you can see, and I am going to tell you how to memorize these number of steps, right? So this is the end product, lead 207. Now first of all we are going to check how many alpha particles are removed from this series. So we started with this uranium 235 and we end with 207. So here we subtract 235 minus 207, we get 28, and if we divide it by 4, so why 4? Because after removal of every one alpha particle, the mass number changes by 4. Therefore, we divide it by 4. So we get 7, and now we move further to the atomic number, and this atomic number we subtract from the uranium to this end product lead. So here we get 10. So its atomic number changed by 10 from starting point to end point. It should be changed by 7 into 2, 14. But it changed to 10, so 14 minus 10 we get 4. Fine. So this is how one can remember that alpha particles are 7 and beta particles are 4. So here you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 alpha particles and 4 beta particles are there, and total number of steps are 11. Fine, 11 steps are there. Now the important point is that how we are going to memorize this series. So just it is very easy series actually to memorize, because in this series we are having alpha beta again, alpha beta and alpha beta. So this is actinium series, so you can memorize uranium actinium series. If I draw, this is symmetrical actually, in this manner you can see. So this is A. This is how you can memorize alpha beta, or either you can memorize it in your way. So this is alpha beta, 3 times alpha, then alpha beta. Fine. So both the ends are symmetric here, alpha beta, and these are the 3 alpha particles. In this manner you can memorize. I am going to show you the scheme for this. So here uranium to thorium, fine, first step, then beta. So beta will be your protactinium, second. Then protactinium to again alpha we are going. So how we are going to alpha from protactinium? So 2 steps behind. So thorium first and second actinium. So the third step is actinium. And then actinium to again thorium. 1 step forward. So actinium to thorium, beta particle emission. Then 2 steps behind. So thorium, then actinium, then radium. So 2 steps behind alpha particle. Now we are again moving to 2 parts away. So radium to radon, here you can see, and then 3 alpha particles will be removed. So radium to polonium, second, polonium to lead, third, and now again beta. So bismuth, then tellurium, then lead is the last element of this series. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.